Forklift Loader. Forklift Loader.
A forklift loader is used to lift and move heavy items like large boxes and pallets in warehouses and factories. With its strong forks, the forklift loader can lift heavy items and place them on high shelves or into trucks.
Articulated dump truck.
This articulated dump truck is used to transport materials like sand, dirt, and rocks over rough terrain. The truck's articulated design allows it to maneuver easily on narrow and rocky roads.
Double drum roller.
A double drum roller is used to flatten and compact roads. The large drums at the front and back ensure the road surface becomes smooth and even, making it comfortable for vehicles to drive on.
Haul truck. Haul truck. Haul truck.
Haul truck is a large truck used in mining and major construction projects to transport heavy materials like large rocks and ore.
Excavator. Excavator. Excavator.
An excavator is used for digging and moving materials. With its long arm and large bucket at the end, the excavator can dig big holes and help in building structures and roads.
Crawler crane. Crawler crane. Crawler crane.
Crawler crane is used to lift heavy items to high places. With its tracks underneath, this crane can move over difficult terrain and remain stable while lifting heavy loads.
Excavator breaker stone. Excavator breaker stone. Excavator breaker stone.
Excavator breaker stone is used to break large rocks into smaller pieces. The rock breaking tool at the end of its arm makes this excavator very powerful and effective at breaking rocks that block the way.
Trailer dump truck. Trailer dump truck.
Trailer dump truck is used to transport and dump materials like sand and gravel. The back of the truck can be lifted to dump its load at the construction site.
A tractor head truck.
The tractor head truck is used to pull large trailers carrying various heavy goods. This truck is very powerful and often used to transport machinery, lumber, and other large items over long distances.
Wheel loader. Wheel loader.
Wheel loader is used to transport materials like sand, gravel, and dirt. The large bucket at the front allows the wheel loader to quickly and efficiently load trucks.
Mixer truck. Mixer truck.
A mixer truck is used to mix concrete inside its large, rotating drum. This truck mixes sand, cement, and water to make concrete, then delivers it to the construction site to build structures and roads.